All units now.
Good morning, everyone. We have a video from a new channel called Mark Wagner. Again, I'm the first subscriber to a new channel. They tagged me in the title of this video, and when I watched it, I couldn't help but notice that this cop looks like he's on methamphetamines. That's right, you heard it. He looks like he's on methamphetamines. Oh, you don't believe me? Watch the video. Here we go, folks.
They wasn't parking on down the road. I'm gonna go through your car to get out of the way.
That's what they're saying. He's like, show me
Turn up your hands behind you. No, not until your superiors in here to tell me what crime I have committed. Get your hands behind you.
I mean, he's being recorded. It's being recorded all over.
I told you when I turn up your hands behind your background. Or now you're going to charge me. If I don't turn around, then you're going to charge me? No, I already told you. Don't hurt that, right?
You hold it.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
What crime is he?
Obstruction of governmental operations. That's the charge right now.
I mean, you're being recorded
Refusal
all
to
the way
submit.
around.
Because I told you I have, see the blue lights?
I'm not showing you ID. He doesn't have to show you ID.
Let's go.
Unless you
Turn around, put your hands up. Now you assault me. Now here goes the assault.
Hey, I'll get you out.
Get your superior here. Get your hands behind the back.
Don't resist.
Don't resist.
All the way around. I'll get you.
Even more what though? Charge me with even more what?
Even more what?
Well, exactly. I bet I get out
You
of
don't
this.
know what you're charging me.
No, hey, whoa. Stop. Let's go.
I need to know where he's going to be taken. You're being recorded, dude, all the way around. And now you're doing it.
It's not a conspiracy, folks. Police have presumed authority, and it makes them believe they have unbridled power. A lot of times we see police officers giving unlawful directives, and if a person doesn't listen, they go hands-on right away and arrest them. Police officers are not the arbiters of free speech. We need to really understand that. And they also don't control the public just because they want to. I mean, this officer says he's conducting a parking investigation. What was the man standing between the officer and a parked vehicle? It makes absolutely no sense. Anyhow, keep watching, folks.
Dirty ass fucking cop.
Yeah, I need a line.
Fucking people like you are essentially bullshit. Well, today's eventful.
I can't open the door. Hey, this is kidnapping. Put force against my will.
Name and badge number is what we need right now.
Under arrest.
Name and badge number is what we need right now. Now. Oh, now you can't give it? Now you can't give it.
So I need a single units up here now. All units now.
Oh, no, he's calling for all of us now. Now we're all multiple suspects. All of us.
Obstruction governmental operation.
He's been recorded the entire time, so it don't matter.
I've been wrong. This guy's even what he's being arrested for.
Obstruction about it.
And I asked his name.
What was the whole point? Why is he in trouble?
Because I'm up here enforcing a no parking.
And he wasn't, though.
I need to get my shoes. He's
Okay.
my kid. He's not far.
Coming up and telling me about obstructing the roadway when I got emergency lights going. Signaling that this is an emergency vehicle.
Do you guys know what a meth head looks like? Sometimes they have a fake George Foreman looking smile. They'll have stuff all over their face. They'll grind their teeth when they talk sometimes. Whenever I had friends come around and they acted like they weren't on that stuff, I let them know that I can see right through them. And for some reason, this officer looks like a meth head. You guys, stay away from drugs. They're not good for you. Keep watching the video.
About obstructing the roadway when I got emergency lights going. Signaling that this is an emergency vehicle. No, this is okay. This is an important emergency vehicle. I'm up here on call to enforce illegal parking. Okay, but the thing is, we have to enforce an operating operation on the day about I need to move my vehicle, and I'm up here enforcing other vehicles. Designate me as an emergency vehicle, and I'm up here to enforce it. I got other units on the way.
for his name and badge number.
What is your name and badge number?
Meyer. His name's Meyer.
I know.
But I want the badge
We
number.
don't have a badge number on there. These guys talking shit.
It's alright.
Just
What
quit
was your
recording
name
it.
and your badge?
Quit recording it.
Deputy, log me here. 3717. Yes.
Where?
That's where you're at right now. Crawford County.
Here. Do you want to continue recording it or?
Obstruction of governmental operations is what they arrested the man for. That sounds like some made up words to justify an unlawful arrest, another way to violate people's civil rights. So this cop was investigating a parking violation, and he felt the man deserved to go to jail because he was what? Standing in the way or asking questions? This is not the free America that I envisioned when I was lied to in school and told that I live in a free country. What they were really preparing me for in school was just to obey any laws, rules, orders given to me by a person in uniform. But folks, over and over again, we see these servants not knowing anything about the First Amendment, not knowing the laws, and constantly violating people's rights. Well, it's no wonder that people are feeling ornery and not wanting to just comply or obey. If cops can't get it right, you best believe that the people will not submit and give up their freedoms solely for officer safety. With that being said, you guys go subscribe to Mark Wagner. Let's bring the court of public opinion over to his channel. Let's let this deputy know that he can't go around violating people's rights because of his hurt feelings. And I also believe that this deputy should be drug tested as well. He doesn't seem right, in my opinion. Folks, you have an absolute right to record and document and ask questions of any public official as you see fit. It's our job to make sure that they're not wasting our tax dollars, that there is no misappropriation of funds going on. When we got questions, we demand answers. All right, folks, I'm going to drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment for Mark Wagner. Go subscribe. Let him know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there.